Plastics are essential in nearly every industry today, but when it comes to machining them, each type of plastic has its own specific requirements. That's where GRIMME SysTech comes in. We offer high-performance CNC machining centers, specially engineered for efficient plastic processing. Our machines operate with high spindle speeds and optimized feed rates, ideal for materials with low thermal conductivity like plastic. Need a full production line? We provide everything you need, from CNC machining centers to thermoforming machines, enabling a seamless process from thermoforming to precision machining of the final product, all from a single source. With more than 365 configuration options, our CNC systems can be tailored to your exact production needs. Thanks to their modular design, the machines integrate smoothly into your workflow. And with our tandem and duo configurations, dual station systems designed for parallel processing, you get maximum productivity, even in existing production lines. Want to learn more? Our team is always here to help. Contact us at sales@hg-grimme.de or visit our website hg-grimme.de.